We have initiated coverage on Bosch Limited with a buy rating and a 9 to 12 month target price of rupees 10,324. Our buy recommendation is on account of it being a best play on the changing emission norms, its exposure to the robust replacement cycle, its R&D and capex being in place for the next emission cycle change. Technology and capex has already been incurred and it will continue to act as an entry barrier for the competition, and its resilient financial and margin performance in the previous down cycles. Bosch Limited, since its inception in 1951, has dominated the Indian markets in diesel systems. It supplies the fuel injection equipment, which is the most important component of an engine and is referred to as the heart of the engine. It is a highly specialized product, and in this technology, Bosch is a global leader, and in India, it has garnered an 81% market share. In India, we follow Bharat stage emission norms, which are a benchmark to the Euro norms. In 2005, the emission norms changed to BS2 norms nationwide, and it required a large shift of technology, which reflected in Bosch's top line and bottom line growth. A similar change in 2010 to BS3 was not very invasive in terms of technology, and thereby we did not witness a material jump in the realizations and bottom line. However, with our discussions with various OEMs and customers, we note that the jump in 2015, which is due to BS4 and BS5 technologies, is going to be very sharp and would require a material changes in technology used. We learn all the major OEMs are developing the newer platforms on the common rail systems, which are the variant of the newer injection technologies. We believe it would result in a material jump in realizations and profitability for Bosch in 2015. The primary determinant of the revenues is the OEM sales, which constitute around 60-65%. However, around 20-25% of the top line exposure is to the aftermarket revenues, in which Bosch is a market leader again. And here, we expect Bosch is well placed to benefit from the robust sales which happened in calendar year 2010-2011, as the replacement cycle for such engine components in CVs are generally 3 to 4 years, and on basis of such strong sales, we build in strong aftermarket revenue growth. Coming to the financials of the company has a very clean balance sheet, it has a zero debt, and it has had robust return ratios in the category of 20-25% in the past decade. However, the company is incurring huge capex, around 1200 billion over the next 2 years, on building up capacities in the newer technologies like common rail. Such capex would help it to prepare for the next emission cycle change. Such localization capex would also help on the margins front, and we build a 150 bips improvement over the next 2 to 3 years. This huge capex incurred and similar planned capex ahead will continue to act as an entry barrier for the competition. However, the capex may weigh on the return ratios in the medium term. On the valuation, the stock has traded on a premium to its peers. Generally, auto and auto ancillaries trading in a range of 12 to 20 times 1 year forward P/E, whereas Bosch has traded at 22 to 25 times. We are building a 16% PAT CAGR over CY 13 to 15 and have an EPS estimate of rupees 483 in CY 15. Assigning 25 times to an FY 14 EPS of rupees 413, we are recommending a buy on Bosch with a 16% upside within next 9 to 12 months. Key risks to our thesis remain a delayed MHCV recovery and a further fall and weakness in the currency. Thank you.